I'm going to replace my broken hood release, what they call this, hood release handle. It's broken, okay? So I think the first thing to do is basically remove this trim. It's like a fuse cover here. You just pull it out, and I'm not so sure. You cannot actually pull this out, this trim, without removing this trim here. Then this one just slides out. Okay, so I'm gonna take a look. We have to remove the wheel and the splash guard. Now we see the cable coming over here. Yep, this is where it comes out, and it goes through there. Okay. So I need to find a way how to fish that in, because this one is solid. There's no access in here. Then I remove the 3 bolts that hold this hood latch. Really a 4th nut down there, and that's like tricky to remove. You could pull this thingy here, but not so easy because there's no space. Okay, so let me see how it works. So it connects to this one. Yep, the end of it. So I'm gonna take a screwdriver and release this one. It's probably have to release this one first. Okay. And, once that's released, it's gonna be easy to fish this out. Yep, it's out now. So I could actually start to fish this out. But before that, I need to put a wire in here or a string, so that I could put the new one in easily. Fish that like back. I have a fishing pole, so I have this fishing line attached to the end, and I think I could start. So this one goes to that hole over here, and this goes to this clip over here, here, and here. Right below the fender line over here, and over there, and then down into here. Yep, it goes into the cabin over here. Yep, so I'm gonna take this out. And need both hands to grab this out. And I'm gonna try this out. I don't think there's something that holds this one. Yep. Okay. Now there's two brackets here. It's 210 mm bolts that holds this one. Okay, and the wiring. See, so it just goes on top. Yep, just bends in here. Just made that bend and then it goes the way out. Okay, so I'm gonna take this bracket out. Okay. Two bolts out. And there it goes. Now I could start pulling this one. Yeah, let's see. This one is really in bad shape. Yep. It's still hard to tighten this out. I'm pulling the wire after start taking out these clips. Now I got the wire fished in. Now I'm gonna fish it out. Handle bracket put in place here, 210 mm bolts, and then I got it fished out here, and I have to put in the one of the clips that's over here, and then it goes out over here. Yep. So this will position this rubber grommet on this hole here. So I'm gonna position it, grommet in place. I'm gonna put the clip over here. So this clip goes into this hole over here. Secure it correctly. Yeah, kind of tough to put it in. It's a tight space. Probably need to loosen the radiator bracket here so that you could put back the clip here. Yeah. The clip here, you cannot reach it from this side, but only from this side. So it's hard to align it to this hole. And then yep, this goes here, and this one, that one over there, and then that one over there. Yep, so time to put this in, tightening on the bracket bolts. The 3 bolts here, they're tightened, and there's one nut down here. Yep, tighten that too. The cover put back in. I broke some clips, and yep, these are bad. I need to buy new ones for this since they're all broken. Yep, but okay, we'll try close. Final product, everything in place now, and when the color is off, so I think it's for a gray interior. Mine is like black, but it's okay because I don't need to use my vice grip anymore. Yep. Then it's loose down here. Yep. And there you go. Doing this, I actually broke several of the clips here, so I have a few of them that holds it. So I have Amazon help me get those clips for like $7 for 40 pieces. Yep, and I'm gonna use some of that too. So mark it. Yep.